Right, Ralph's brought me into the middle of nowhere to fish, and then we've come and it's low tide, because normally the water's up there, look.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a little bit difficult, but we've got a couple of fishing rods. If you looked at the last video we did, where, you know, that's not how to fish, it was a pretty much a disaster, because we didn't catch anything. It was a bit embarrassing, but I've never laughed so much in a long time. It was really good.
We tried this time.
So we're really going to try. We've got a couple of small rods. They're not going to catch massive fish. I think if we got a big fish on them, they'd snap. But when I bought them off Lazada, they were only like 320 pesos, something like that. And they were holding 3 litres of water on the rod, showing you that it was strong. But I've probably got the one that's not. Look at it.
A lot of fish here, Chris. Because when it's Sunday or Saturday, a lot of people, even if they live in Naga, they go here
To fish.
to fish. There are a lot of people here sitting. Also there. A lot of their people just fishing here.
Right, now Ralph says that we should use worms, but I've gone and bought some little shrimp. So he's going to use the worms and I'm going to use the shrimp and see if we catch anything, eh?
We just quest there, Chris. We go there. We try. Did you think it's better even low tide? You think?
Well, yeah, we've come now. We've got to give it a go, haven't we?
Just try.
Yeah, just try. I'm just pleased to be out here. I mean, look at this. I love this. I love it.
That, Chris, you see that one antenna? When the road just come here, it's Kamaliga.
Oh, is it?
Yes, that you see that? It's Kamaliga.
Well, if the road's like this up to Camaligan, we can come here in the car. We don't have to
Yes.
go to your dad's
Yes.
and then come on the motorbike.
Yes,
And that would be better.
yes.
Definitely.
I told you, if we go to Kamaligan, we go here, we can use your car, but we cannot go to my father's house.
Yeah. Oh well. There's a great big hole in the road, guys, up there. There's no way. I mean, if you've got a 4x4, it's probably passable, but not in my little car. Definitely not. Look at this, guys, eh? Give a man a fish, he'll feed his family for a day. Give him the means to fish. Look, that will feed.
It's
a family
so
for a
big.
day. It's massive. Now that's just a taste of things to come, guys. Now you watch. The next one's going to be that big.
Yes, because this one is the youngest son.
Yeah.
Maybe we can catch the grandmother or grandfather of this.
Yeah. See the hide round the lilies. And I think the line's too long. The line should be straight.
You see it, Chris?
think
Pull,
it's in the
you see it pulling
Yeah,
it.
I saw the float moving.
Nice.
Well, you got to start somewhere, guys. Sit up. What we're doing, throwing it back.
Yes. I just no, Chris. I'm the one so that your hand can't be I will
Yeah, switch it. Well, it's quite interesting. You saw the water lilies here. Well, earlier on with the low tide, the water was flowing this way, and now it's starting to get the high tide. The water's now flowing back that way. It's weird. So we've just had to repair the line because we got it caught, and then when we're trying to pull it out, a big water lily engulfed the line as well. Well, luckily we got the float back, but we didn't get anything else back. So I've just given Ralph the fishing rod while I'm talking to you. So yeah, I mean, next time we're going to be a bit more prepared. I've learnt a lesson. the hook's too small and the weight isn't heavy enough to throw the line at any distance. Just needs to be a little bit heavier. But the fish are all hiding under here and under the water lilies. You don't really have to throw it out far. But we've had a number of bites, but when I've pulled it, we've not caught anything. Just that little one. Now I think next time I'll prepare the shrimp better, and we'll put shrimp on the hooks. See if that's more inviting for the fish. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. Can you imagine this? See this every day if you wanted to. Come fishing. Just come and sit near the river and relax. Obviously there's some cleaner rivers than this, where you can swim in it as well. So next time we'll come in the other direction. I'll bring my car. I'll probably bring Matthew. Well, I'm not sure, I'd probably get bored. Do we have a bite? When it got caught, I'm sure we had a fish on the other end of it. By the time we pulled it away, it probably gone with a hook in its mouth. Beautiful. Welcome to my part of the Philippines. Well, it's not been a total fail because I did catch a fish. It just had to be thrown back because it was just a little baby. But we're going to call it a day now, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share our videos, very important. And just make sure that you're not unsubscribed as well, and hit the notification bell so every time we upload a video you'll get notified, and if we do a live you'll get notified. So thanks a lot, guys. See you on the next one. Say goodbye, Ralph.
Hey, bye bye, we gotta go. Maybe some other time. This is our not lucky day. We'll try again next time, guys.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.